Hello guys, this is Travis Fairley here at Hixson Ford of Alexandria, and I'm just very much so here so I can talk about the new and improved 2018 Ford EcoSport. It is new to the overall Ford lineup and it's a tad bit smaller than the Ford Escape, but it's fun to drive. Now, as far as the standard features on the Ford EcoSport, the SE, the SES, and the Titanium model is not only going to come with a backup camera as a standard feature, but it's also going to come with sensors to actually indicate cross-traffic alert. Ford is actually big on safety, meaning that if you're actually backing up, they don't want you to, hit anything or anyone. I mean, like as far as like an overall bike or a pedestrian or another vehicle. Now, as far as it's being an overall subcompact crossover, it looks small, but it's actually spacious in the inside. And the EcoSport actually has a swing gate. And like as far as you can see, as it being a subcompact crossover, it is very roomy in the overall inside. And it actually has a visor for you to actually hide your groceries and personal items as well that you can actually activate by doing this. And it's going to hide everything that's in the overall bottom. And if you may need even more room, like these seats actually does a 60-40 split, meaning that they both can actually fold completely flat for maximum storage capacity. Then you have a whole lot of more room as well. In the 2018 Ford EcoSport SE package, it does come a standard with an overall cloth interior. It also has heated seats as far as on the passenger and the driver's side. And it also going to has a long list of standard features as far as the power locks, the power windows, and the cruise control. And it's also going to come standard with the push button start as well. So for the rest of the standard features as far as navigation, it's also going to come with the backup camera to where you can actually zoom in and zoom out. So if you're in the market for a crossover that's also great on fuel economy, this 2018 Ford EcoSport is your go-to buyer. So come on down to Hixson Ford and let us take care of your automotive needs.